Good morning, children. Welcome to the SST class. Today we are going to study lesson number 4, the Chinese civilization. Talking about China, China is an East Asian country with a large territory, a huge population, and an ancient history. With written records dating back 4,000 years, it is recognized as one of the 4 great ancient civilizations of the world, together with ancient Egypt, Babylon, and India. Moreover, it is the only ancient civilization that has continued to this very day. Children, you have already studied. You remember the first 3 lessons, the other civilizations that were the Mesopotamian civilization, the Egyptian civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, and now we are going to study in this lesson about the Chinese civilization. The history of the Chinese civilization has traditionally been divided into periods ruled by dynasties. The first, the Shai dynasty from 2070 BCE to 1600 BCE. Second, Shang dynasty from 1600 BCE to 1046 BCE. Third, the Zhou dynasty from 1046 BCE to 770 BCE. Next topic is the main sources for the study of Chinese civilization, which were the written records dating back to 4,000 years. And we could find the records of the Grand Historian written by Sima Qin, a Chinese historian of the early Han Dynasty, which serves as the good source. Evidence has been found of settlements about 8,000 years ago around the famous Yangtze River and the Huanghe River during the Neolithic age. You can see, children, now the location of the Huanghe River, the region where this Chinese civilization started. This region is also regarded as the cradle of Chinese civilization. It is from here that the Chinese civilization spread out into adjacent areas including the Yangtze-Kiang region. This region saw the rise of settled villages sometime around 5000 BCE. The Henan province in the Huanghe Valley was the site of many early villages and farming communities. This site was only one of many prehistoric villages in the area. Now, the rivers. What are the major rivers in the Chinese civilization which we are going to study? We'll come across 2 main rivers. They are the Yellow River and the Yangtze River. Now you'll wonder, what is this? Which is this Yellow River? Yellow River, it is another name of Huanghe River. Why this name Yellow River? Because it has changed into yellow color because of the silt which it carried during its flow. So we can say the another name of Huanghe River is Yellow River. The great river systems of China, the Huanghe to the north and the Yangtze-Kiang to the south, have given the Chinese civilization its distinctive character. The early people called the river Huanghe in China the Great Sorrow. Why? Because each spring the river would overflow its bank and bring death and destruction. So this Huanghe River is also called as China's sorrow or Great Sorrow because of its history of devastating floods every year. This was the small portion of the lesson. Now we have formed a small questionnaire and you will read these questions and answer me in voice messages, or you'll click the picture of the answers and send it on my WhatsApp number. First question is, name the first 3 dynasties of the Chinese civilization. Second, name any one source of Chinese civilization. Third, which are the 2 rivers of the Chinese civilization? Fourth question, which river is regarded as the Great Sorrow? And last question is, what is the other name of Huanghu River? So children, this was all for today. You will read all these questions and answer me immediately. Thank you.